MI-7996 Sit-Stand Monitor Desk Mount Assembly. Slide the decorative cover onto the pole from the bottom of the pole. Install the adhesive pads on the interior top of the clamp as shown here. Insert the pole into the top of the clamp. Loosen the set screws if needed to tighten the pole all the way. Tighten back down to secure the pole in place. Place the clamp over the edge of the desk in the desired position and tighten the knob until the clamp is tight against the underside of the table. Grommet installation option. Remove the handle from the clamp as shown here by removing the bolt on the end of the clamp handle. Detach the oval plate and remove the hand knob from the bracket. Slide the grommet washer onto the hand knob. Place the pole over the grommet hole and install the grommet handle through the underside of the desk, then tighten the handle until the mount is secure. Slide the cable management collars and the keyboard and monitor arms onto the pole in the order shown here. Secure the arms at the desired height by tightening the bolt on the back of the arms. Attach the keyboard tray to the end of the keyboard arm using the bolts from the top and through the tray, then secure them using the nuts. Tighten until secure using the wrench and place the mouse pad on the tray in your preferred position. Select the appropriate mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes. Attach the VESA plate using the selected bolts and tighten until secure. Do not over-tighten. Slide the monitor onto the end of the monitor arm and secure it in place using the thumb screw on the top of the VESA plate as shown. For cable management, remove the cable covers on the underside of the mount arms, then reattach the cable covers with the cables underneath. Gas spring tension may need to be adjusted to suit the weight of the monitors. Begin by pushing the arm down to the lowered position, then use the hex wrench to adjust the nut as pictured, turning counterclockwise towards the plus sign for heavier monitors, increasing the tension and clockwise toward the minus sign for lighter monitors.